In 2023, numerous revolvers are making an iconic comeback with new and improved features. Legendary firearm manufacturers such as Taurus and Colt are showing their wonders. In today's video, we take a look at 5 new revolvers to buy in 2023. Stay with us till the end to find out the latest and advanced models of your favorite classics. Taurus Defender 605. The 6-shot Taurus 856 recently received a Defender upgrade from Taurus. The classic revolver was bound to have advanced features for versatility. The Taurus Defender 605 is a robust and reliable revolver made for personal defense. This stainless steel revolver has a 5-shot capacity cylinder, a 3-inch barrel, and is chambered for the .357 Magnum round, though it can also fire the .38 Special Plus P round. The frame is finished with tungsten Cerakote, which increases the weapon's resistance to the elements. It has a fixed rear sight and a night sight with an orange outline for its front side for improved accuracy in any situation. Its cylinder and barrel are also made of stainless steel and have matching tungsten Cerakote finishes. This powerful revolver has a double-action, single-action trigger to accommodate different needs and preferences. Another important element is Taurus's zero-tolerance guarantee. This revolver was made with durable material, so it wouldn't malfunction under any circumstances. Interestingly, the Taurus Defender 605 provides its shooters some of its newest enhancements like night sights and a lengthened ejector rod. When unloaded, this revolver weighs 24 ounces, it's 7.5 inches overall, 4.8 inches high, and 1.41 inches wide. It is a top choice when home defense and personal protection is concerned. A secure and comfortable hold is provided by the ergonomic rubber grip, while the revolver's double and single-action triggers make firing easy and reliable. Additional safety features like a transfer bar safety and a cylinder release latch are also included. All in all, the Taurus 605 offers a credible personal defense revolver with much to offer. Korth Mongoose. The Korth Mongoose revolver, a high-end precision handgun ideal for target shooting and personal defense for beginners, is a remarkable example of German engineering and craftsmanship. It is emphasized that this is a high-end revolver. Its MSRP is $3,699, making it out of reach for many operators, but if you have the box, it is advised that you try this weapon out. The Korth Mongoose is a well-known revolver because of its exceptional performance and accuracy. It is available in various barrel configurations. The Korth Mongoose revolver is chambered in a .357 Magnum or a .38 Special, with the shorter barrel measuring 2.75 inches and the longest barrel measuring 6 inches. The revolver cylinder can hold 6 rounds of ammunition at once and is part of the iconic interchangeable cylinder system. This component allows you to switch to the standard .357 Magnum cylinder or a compatible 9mm cylinder. This level of modularity and versatility is unmatched by any revolver currently on the market. Additionally, this weapon has a premium architecture with all of its parts, including the frame, being made of the finest billet steel. As a result, it is strong and has an appealing appearance that you will undoubtedly love. Standard ventilation rib, 14K gold bead, and black DLC finish are hallmarks of its superior craftsmanship, and the Mongoose's smooth, single-action, double-action trigger enables for quick, accurate shooting. Moon clips are no longer required because of Korth's unique ejection method, which makes use of a unique extractor with claws that extend from the extractor star to hook the rim of the cartridge case when the ejector rod is squeezed. Its strength and durability make it a top choice for both new and experienced gun enthusiasts. It is a dependable and accurate handgun that is sure to satisfy even the most discriminating shooters. It is excellent for personal defense, target shooting, and plinking. Colt Python 3-inch. The Colt Python 3-inch revolver is an excellent choice for experienced shooters and many gun enthusiasts since the 1970s. The revolver's short-barreled variant promises to conserve the original's appearance, feel, and essence within an even more durable body. The fit, finish, and attention to detail are superb on the new Python 3-inch. This double-action revolver offers 6 rounds of .357 Magnum with the reputable strength of the .357 Magnum to disarm threats. The Colt Python is a reliable weapon for home and personal defense. Originally chambered for the .357 Magnum, it also works flawlessly with .38 Special cartridges as well. The revolver is made from premium stainless steel alloys. Its frame, cylinder, and barrel are robust enough to withstand constant use and abuse. The perfectly mated walnut grips offer comfort in the hand, a fully adjustable rear sight with elevation and windage screws, as well as a windage locking set screw, is included with a new Python 3-inch, which is equipped with a 6-shot cylinder. You can change the orange stripe front sight with one that is higher if you find that the rear sight lacks the necessary elevation range of movement. The revolver weighs around 40 ounces when unloaded and has a total length of 8.5 inches. For a production handgun, the new Python 3-inch has excellent fit and finish, trigger pull and hammer manipulation, as well as cylinder operation, loading, and ejection are all incredibly smooth. As a short-barreled revolver, the Colt Python is a remarkable revolver that serves its purpose well. This product's high quality comes with a hefty price tag. Its MSRP is $1,499. Overall, it exhibits exceptional quality and craftsmanship. Rough Rider Tactical Cowboy. One of Heritage Manufacturing Inc.'s masterpieces is the Rough Rider Tactical Cowboy. Designed with high-quality materials, the Rough Rider Tactical Cowboy revolver is a strong and robust handgun. This revolver conforms to the standard Wild West requirements for revolvers with a 6.5-inch barrel and an overall length of 11.85 inches. The frame and finish of the revolver are both black satin. Although it has a 22 LR chamber, it can also be used with a 22 WMR cylinder. Therefore, you can use this revolver with a 22 long rifle and 22 MR rounds of ammunition. The interchangeable cylinder gives the revolver more flexibility, and if needed, it will give it the extra punch it requires. In order to compete with modern revolvers, the brand new Rough Rider Tactical Cowboy also incorporated advanced innovations. For instance, its barrel contains threads to accept add-ons like compensators and suppressors. If necessary, you can integrate a variety of optics using the Picatinny rail. However, if you want to use the brilliant front fiber optic sight, the rail serves as a rear open sight. The Rough Rider Tactical Cowboy features a single-action hammer that allows the users to manually trigger the weapon before each fire. The revolver's distinctive appearance is further enhanced by the hammer's skeletonization and serrated spur. Carbon fiber grips and a thumb hammer safety are further characteristics of the revolver. It is available in markets at a reasonable MSRP of $212, making it one of the cheapest revolvers you can get in 2023. Overall, the Rough Rider Tactical Cowboy brings modern-day technology into an old classic world. Standard manufacturing switch gun. The firearms industry is undergoing a transformation thanks to the groundbreaking and ingenious switch gun from Standard Manufacturing. Since you can fold this revolver up compactly, it is unlike any other gun on the market. This folding gun will only occupy the same amount of space as your smartphone when it is placed inside your pocket. To prevent unintentional discharges, the trigger is completely encased in the grip. Pressing a button causes the revolver to instantly spring out and be ready for use anytime you need it. The switch gun is a revolver with a 22 Magnum chamber, therefore even though it is a concealed carry weapon, it possesses decent firepower. Contrary to other concealed carry weapons, the switch pistol features an enlarged polymer grip resembling that of full-sized revolvers. Its cylinder carries 5 rounds. This makes it possible for you to handle the pistol comfortably for the best firing control. Its frame and barrel were both made using CNC machines, so there is no doubt about its dependability and longevity. The barrel length of this single-action revolver is just 0.75 inches. Compared to full-sized revolvers, its accuracy is unmatched, yet it can still do its function. Overall, they are designed to be as compact as they can be without losing the significant aspects of a gun, such as secure grip and simple firing. The switch gun's foldable form allows for convenient hiding and storage in tight locations, while yet allowing you to keep adequate control over the weapon and fire as accurately as possible. In short, the Standard Manufacturing switch gun is an effective concealed carry gun used for home defense and personal protection. But do you want to know what else is advancing in 2023? Well then subscribe to our channel for the latest firearm content. And oh, while you're at it, check out our video on the 6 snub-nosed revolvers better in every way for some classic revolvers you'll fall in love with at once. Adios, see you all in the next video.